Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Focus transmission fluid. Maintaining your transmission fluid is vital for your vehicle's health, preventing costly repairs and ensuring smooth gear shifts. We'll cover everything from gathering your tools to the final fluid level check. This process is a straightforward maintenance task you can perform yourself, saving you time and money. Let's get started with the preparation. Before you begin, safety is paramount. You'll need to safely lift your Ford Focus using a jack and secure it on 4 sturdy jack stands, ensuring the vehicle is perfectly level. This is critical for accurate fluid draining and refilling. Gather an 8mm Allen wrench for the plugs, a large drain pan, and a long-necked funnel. Don't forget your safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from hot fluid. With your vehicle safely elevated and level, locate the transmission drain plug, typically on the driver's side. Place your drain pan underneath and carefully remove the plug using an 8mm Allen wrench. Allow all the old fluid to drain completely. Once drained, reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to its specified torque. Next, remove the fill plug, often located higher on the transmission, and begin adding about 2 quarts of the correct new fluid until it starts to drip from the fill hole. Once the new transmission fluid begins to slowly drip from the fill hole, indicating the correct level, reinstall the fill plug and tighten it properly. Carefully lower your Ford Focus from the jack stands. It's crucial to dispose of the old transmission fluid at an approved recycling center. Finally, take your vehicle for a short test drive, listening for smooth shifts and checking for any leaks around the drain and fill plugs. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your transmission fluid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.